Here's a look at Sena's 3S Plus Boom and 3S Plus Universal. The 3S Plus Boom is designed for open face or jet helmets, with the sleek 2-button operation system on the boom mic for an even simpler install. The 3S Plus Universal kit includes 2 microphone options, a boom mic or a wired mic. This universal system can be used in nearly any helmet. And in this case, the sleek 2-button operation system is just barely noticeable on the outside of the helmet.
Intercom pairing.
The 3S Plus units both let you share the ride over HD intercom with a passenger or riding companion up to 400 meters or a quarter mile away. Sena's advanced noise control filters out unwanted road noise, keeping your two-way intercom conversation crystal clear with a talk time of 8 hours. Both of these Sena 3S Plus systems utilize Bluetooth 4.1 to connect to your phone, Bluetooth device for music, phone calls, or GPS. The 3S Plus Boom and 3S Plus Universal both utilize a 2-button operation system and have voice prompts in 11 languages.
Hello. Hola. Konnichiwa.
The headsets are also compatible with the Sena utility app to make configuring settings visual and pairing even faster with smart intercom pairing and the scan of a QR code. The Sena 3S Plus Boom and 3S Plus Universal. Simplistic and efficient.